Hi, ma'am. You are muted. Please unmute.
I was talking alone.
Yeah.
I was saying those who are coming for round 2 after 2 to 3 p.m. welcome back. And
Thank you.
everyone else, obviously, welcome back as well. Or welcome for the first time, new faces.
So happy to attend your class at this time, really.
Super happy, huh? It's been a long time. Super. Guys, blocks, yoga belt, chair. Let's start, guys. Sit in a cross leg position. Press sitting bones down. Lengthen the spine. Close your eyes. Inhale, reach the arms up, join the hands in prayer. Exhale, bring the prayer towards the heart center. Connect the thumbs to the beating of your heart. And take this moment to bring the attention inwards towards your breath. Observe your physical body. Observe your thoughts. Observe your emotional state. And observe your energetic field. Take this moment and set an intention for your practice. Let's start with one Om. Inhale. Om. Exhale, release. Open your eyes. 1 second, guys. Let's start, guys. Tabletop position. Bring the arms straight under the shoulders, knees under your hips. Press the palms. Core engage. Start with shoulder rotation. So I'm locking the elbows, pressing the palms against the mat. And we start. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Reverse. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. Cat and cow 15 times. Full spine, guys. Open the pelvis. Belly lengthen. Shoulders down and away from the ears. Scapula together. Look forward. From the pelvis, press the mat away. Pelvis in. Navel in. Chest chilling. Let's start. Inhale. Open. Weight at the center. Exhale. Round. Inhale. 2. Exhale. Round. Inhale. 3. Exhale. Round. Inhale. 4. Exhale. Round. Inhale. 5. Exhale. Round. Inhale. 6. Exhale. Round. Inhale. 7. Exhale. Inhale. 8. Exhale. Inhale. 9. Exhale. Inhale. 10. Exhale. 5 more. Inhale. 1. Exhale. Inhale. 2. Exhale. Inhale. 3. Exhale. Last 2. Inhale. 4. Exhale. Inhale. 5. Exhale. Now you're gonna inhale, open cow position. Press and hold. Do not sink into the shoulders. Press the mat away. Open. through the collarbones like you want to show a necklace. And stay 30 seconds. Hold. Stay. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, press round the spine. More weight towards the hands, Sarika. 10, 9, yes, 8, 7, 6, 5, Chintamani camera on. 4, 3, 2, 1. Come to center. Watch me. You're gonna take child's pose. Arms forward. Watch me first. Hands shoulder distance apart. Press the hands. You're gonna lift the hips. Round like cat. Forward when you can no more than the elbows. Thighs belly down. Exhale. Press chin in. Separate the scapula. And back. I repeat one more time. From child's pose, we lengthen the arms at the distance of the shoulders. Press the palms. Lift the hips up. Rock the spine forward. Bend the elbows. Start going down. Belly, chest. Exhale. Press. Round from the upper spine. Chin to chest. Separate scapula. Cat position to go back. Yes? Let's go. 5 reps. At your own rhythm. 1 minute. Inhale, cat position to go forward. Exhale, press chin in, round cat position back. Five reps. Margaret, press, extend the arms and round. When you come forward, guys, press, straighten the arms, round chin to chest from upper back to lower back. Five reps. Those who finish, waiting child's pose. Only 5 reps. Now watch me for the next one. From tabletop, we will measure, this is the distance from your downward facing dog, yeah? Adho Mukha Svanasana. So, make sure there is a straight line. Make sure from the knees to the hips a straight line as well. Exhale, hips up. And this is your starting position. Lift the hips from the pelvis. Yes, you will round again. Like a wave forward. And now you will start dropping the hips. Untuck the toes. Press the top of the toes down. Press the pelvis to the floor without going to the floor, yes? The thighs are lifted, the hips are pressing down, and my chest is open like the cow position. Here. Yes, exhale, knees down. And child's pose. Downward facing dog. If you can go directly downward facing dog, amazing. So we will go like this from downward facing dog, high plank. Start lowering the pelvis, untuck the toes. Upward facing dog. And then either you go here and then hips up, or from upward facing dog, you untuck the toes, lift the hips, and downward facing dog. 5 reps, and the last rep we will hold in upward facing dog 30 seconds. Ready? Let's go. At your own rhythm, Inhale forward. High plank. Try to move all the vertebrae of the spine. Chintamani, camera on. Sarita, camera on. Whoever it is, iPhone name. Put your name. Camera on, guys. Five reps. When you finish your 5 reps, wait in child's pose and then we will hold upward facing dog all together. Who finish? Just child's pose. Good. Now everyone, upward facing dog. Maximum pressing with the hands down, open chest. Eyes forward, do not drop your head back. And we hold 30 seconds. Press top of the feet. Need to press the hands. Extend the elbows. The thighs are not resting on the floor. Untuck toes, untuck toes. Yes. Super, guys. Stay. Vijaya, this is downward facing dog. Upward facing dog. Look at the screen. Untuck the toes. Press. Lift the hips up. Eyes forward, guys. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. Downward facing dog. Rest in downward facing dog. Downward facing dog. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly, slowly. Go back down. And watch me. Now, we will take a couple of blocks. Bring them to the top of the mat. Bring them to the top of the mat. Second setting, you will open fully from the pelvis, try to touch the chest down. Option 1, if you feel a bit more open, you go high setting, hands on top. Guys, we cannot be here. Yeah, the knees right under the pelvis. Full lengthen, elbows, shoulders to the ears. Yes, hands pressing on top of the block. Take this or middle of the block if you are taking this variation. Yes, same. When you're doing on the high setting, open pelvis, try to touch, exhale. What we want here is the elbows lock so I can feel the shoulder thoracic opening. It doesn't matter how far I am from the floor. Yes? That is something we cannot force. Only through repetition and practice we can open and improve the shoulder mobility. Yeah? 10 reps. Last rep, we will hold 30 seconds down. Ready? Take your variation. And we go. Come on, Anaira, start. 1. Inhale down. Exhale, press the hands round from the pelvis up. Inhale, 2. Exhale up. Inhale, 3. Exhale up. Inhale, 4. Exhale up. Inhale 5. Exhale up. Inhale 6. Exhale up. Inhale 7. Exhale up. Inhale 8. Exhale up. Inhale 9. Exhale up. Inhale 10. Open and hold. Open and hold. Rajni, start. Deep breaths. Keep the hands active, pressing. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, round the spine up. Give me a second, guys. Who is this iPhone? Please rename, camera on. Let's go, guys. Okay, 1 second. This is getting stuck. Can you see me? Hello? Can you see me, guys? Can you hear me correctly? Internet got stuck for a second. Can you see me well? Can you hear me well? Give me thumbs up or give me a sign. Yes, cool. Now, watch me. We will remove the blocks a little bit away. Opposite arm, opposite leg. So we need core engagement. Yes, watch me first. I leave the leg and the opposite arm at the same time. I'm doing like a cow position. So as I open and lift, I do both actions. Exhale, knee to elbow. Without touching the knee to the floor. Inhale, my eyes go forward. Exhale. 5 reps. And then we go other side. It lifts as a hold. Yes? Let's go, guys. 1. Inhale, lift. Leg, arm straight, point the toes. Exhale, knee to elbow. Inhale, 2. Exhale, knee to elbow. Inhale, 3. Exhale, knee to elbow. Inhale, 4. Exhale, knee to elbow. Inhale, 5. Exhale, knee to elbow. And change the leg. Change the leg. Left leg, right arm, or whichever side you didn't do. Inhale, core, lift everything at once. Exhale, knee to elbow. Inhale, 2, eyes forward. Exhale, knee to elbow. Come on, Anaira, everything at once. Inhale, 3, eyes forward. Yes. Exhale, knee to elbow. Inhale, 4. Exhale, knee to elbow. Aishwarya, please camera on. Inhale, 5, last one. Exhale, knee to elbow. And release. Now we will go belly down towards the mat. Full belly down. Interlace the fingers behind. Lift the fists away. Press above the feet. We will inhale. Exhale, touch the forehead. Inhale, lift without lifting the feet. Exhale, touch. Inhale, eyes forward. Do not drop the head. Eyes forward, back of the neck long. Yes? Let's try. 5 reps. We go 1. Inhale up. And start. Inhale, 2. Engage the core. Press the pelvis down. Feet to touch. Down. Everything engaged, guys. Inhale, 3. Down. Guys, control the core. Don't try to bounce when you come up. Inhale, 4. And down. Last one up and we hold. Inhale, 5. 20-second hold. Up. Short inhale, long exhale to hold. Keep pressing pelvis down. Core engaged. Belly that wants to lift. Up. Eyes forward. If you look down, your body follows. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly release. Good. Watch me for the next one. Belly down. Arms to the side. Now this time the heads will look at each other. Palms looking at each other. Yes? We will inhale, lift the legs, lift the chest. Exhale, down. Inhale, 2. Exhale, down. 7 reps. Last rep, we hold 20 seconds. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Inhale. Exhale, down. Maximum focus. Eyes forward. Inhale, 2. Exhale, down. Super. Inhale, 3. Exhale, down. Inhale, 4. Exhale, down. Inhale, 5. Exhale, down. Inhale, 6. Exhale, down. Inhale, 7 and hold. Up. Everyone up, core. Press the pelvis down, toes pointed, eyes forward, maximum focus. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly release. Make a pillow with the hands, rest the forehead on top. Take a moment. And slowly come into tabletop position once again. We will take our blocks, high setting. Elbows at the edge. Shoulder distance apart, palms together. Walk back. Press the elbows, keep the wrist on top of the elbow in line with the shoulder and with the hip. And then I will bring my eyes forward, open pelvis and start going down. Exhale, press up. So I'm controlling everything from the pelvis and by the pressure I place in the blocks. Inhale, 2. Exhale up. Yes? Keep it, sorry, the 90 degrees. Don't go down. Keep the 90 degrees. Yes? I keep my eyes forward. It will change the whole exercise. Don't look down. Eyes forward. Exhale. Yes? 10 reps. Ready? 3, 2, prepare elbows on the edge. 2, 1, walk the knees back. Guys, the knees under your hip. Inhale, open, look forward. Exhale, press and round. Inhale, 2. Exhale, round. Inhale, 3. Exhale, round. Inhale, 4. Exhale, round. Inhale, 5. Exhale, round. Inhale, 6. Exhale, round. Inhale, 7. Exhale, round. Inhale, 8. Exhale, round. Inhale, 9. Exhale, round. Last one, we hold 30 seconds, maximum down. Inhale, open pelvis, keep pressing elbows, eyes forward. Core remains engaged even though the spine is arching. Keep pressing elbows. Stay. Deep breaths. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, press the elbows, round up, and start to bring the knees in to come out of the pose. Super. Now next, we will go near the wall with the blocks and the mat, obviously. Now, low lunge, watch me first. Left foot forward or right foot forward, whichever leg you want. Heel touching the wall, yes? We need the front leg 90 degrees, so the knee remains on top of your ankle. Pelvis low. Now we will inhale, keep the chin in, try to reach for the wall. Now when I'm reaching for the wall, I press and I lengthen. Hold it here. Only if you feel comfortable, you will start to look back, maybe 1, 2 steps, and hold. 30 seconds to calm down, first hands, and then your head. Yes? The key here is to bring the pelvis low and not bend from the lower back. Guys, we need to understand the back bend is a lengthening of the front body. So I'm lifting the belly up as someone is pulling me up like this from the waist. Yeah? Ready? Low lunge. Press the front foot, back heel on the wall, pelvis low. Inhale, lift. Bring the blocks. Press. Blocks against the wall, pelvis low, and try to bring the chest forward. Hold it. If you feel comfortable, look towards the blocks, towards the wall. Super. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, come down with the blocks. Exhale, release. Other leg. Guys, before we go, let me grab my charger. Just take position, but don't reach the ball. Give me a second. I'm back. Let's go second leg towards the wall. Here to press the wall, front foot pressing down, pelvis low. Inhale, lift the arms up with the blocks, high setting. Try to reach for the wall. Exhale, press against the wall. Chest forward. And those who feel comfortable, look back slowly. Try to see if you can see your hands, the wall. And keep pressing, guys. Pelvis down, chest forward. Super. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, reach the blocks down. Exhale, chin to chest and release. We will go a second round. This time, we will try to walk lower, yes? Now, how do I know if I can walk lower? I know because the breath is flowing and I don't feel a pain in the lower back. Yes, if you are feeling pain in the lower back, if you are feeling like the breath is... First step is to calm your breath. Short inhale, long exhale through your nose. If you can't exhale through your nose, blow the air out through the mouth and try. Yes, we move down the wall slowly. Watch. This is an intense exercise. It can feel very opening here in the thoracic. Yeah? Obviously, shoulders as well. Now, I go, pelvis low, inhale. I touch, first landing. Yes, exhale, and I look back. I try one tiny step, 1, 2 breaths. If I feel comfortable, I go lower. Yes, those who can go lower, they might change because you can reach as low as you want. Yeah, only if you feel comfortable, guys. To decide how often you go down and try, at least 1, 2 breaths. Yes, otherwise the mind starts to panic if we try to go too fast, too low in the beginning. If you've never tried or tried very few times, you need to walk slow. Yeah? Super. Let's go, guys. Let's try. Ready? Press the front foot, pelvis low. Inhale, lift from the chest. Arms up. Exhale, press the blocks towards the wall and hold. Those who feel comfortable, they will start going down slowly, 1 breath at a time. Super. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly, don't snap out. Bring the blocks to the floor. Exhale, chin to chest. Slowly look down and other side. Now guys, sometimes it can be that we feel dizzy when we come back. So we want to try to come back as slow as possible. The head is better you keep it like this as you come up, and then once you are in a low lunge, you bring the chin inside. Yeah? Don't come pulling from the head because then you get the compression here on your cervicals. The nerve gets compressed and it's when we get more dizzy. Yeah? Now second leg. Observe. It might be one side is significantly more open than the other one. So we don't push to try too much the other side. We adjust. Maybe deeper variation, maybe same, maybe less. It's all fine. We work with the breath once again. Yeah? Moving slow, mindfully, precisely. Whenever you're ready, press the front foot, low lunge. Inhale. Lengthen from the belly, lift up, shoulders to ears, blocks to the wall. Exhale, press away, chest forward, and slowly, if you feel comfortable, eyes towards the blocks, towards the wall. And start going down, those who feel comfortable. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly inhale, bring the blocks down. Exhale, chin to chest, and release the wall. Super, guys. Now, more opening with the wall. We will go standing position. Watch me. Standing position. Arm distance from the wall, feet hip distance. Yes, hip distance means this. Now, you will press the feet down, keep the knees bent. Walk one step above the shoulders. Press against the wall and press against the floor with the feet. 2 pressures. Now, with the knees bent, I open the pelvis, shoulders up to the ears, and I try to reach the forehead. From the pelvis, I exhale and come back. Yes, if I can do it with the legs straight, what will determine this? My hamstrings. If I feel comfortable here and no extra tightness, I'm all good. I can go legs straight fully, same forehead or nose, exhale. Those who feel comfortable, any of the variations, maybe chin, maybe chest. Exhale up. With the legs straight, same. Chin, chest. Exhale up. But the movement starts and ends with the pelvis. Like the cat and cow with it on the floor. Like the one leg cat and cow with it on the floor. Yeah? Every movement starts from here. If I don't press my hands, if I don't press my feet to the floor, this becomes more challenging. And I really want to lengthen, guys. Shoulder up. When we are on the wall, shoulder is lifted, not down. Because then we will feel a lot of, how do you call this? Uncomfortable tightness, but the one that puts you out of the pose. Yes? Discomfort is expected because a lot of tension comes in the shoulders, so you will feel discomfort, but discomfort and pain is not the same. Discomfort goes away through mindful breathing. Short inhale, long exhale, steady breath, one after the other. If it's pain, it will put you out of the pose immediately. You will snap. If we don't want to snap, we want to go one breath at a time. Yeah? 5 reps. And then the last one we hold. Forehead, nose, chin, or chest and chin to the wall. Everyone ready. Arm distance from the wall, feet hip distance, press feet down. Arms above the shoulders. Press the hands, press the feet, open the pelvis. Inhale, try to reach for the wall. Exhale, press the hands, press the feet from the pelvis round. Rajni, start. Inhale, 2.
मैम लेग कितना दूर रहेगा वॉल से?
the arm distance from the wall. Inhale, 3. Exhale, round. Inhale, 4. Exhale, round. Now the last one, we will inhale and hold. Forehead, nose, chin or chest and chin. Inhale, open. Reach towards the wall. Keep the hips on top of your ankles. And time is on. 4 hold. Pressing feet, pressing hands, even though we are holding. Hips away from the wall, guys. On top of your ankles. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly, slowly. Pelvis in, round, and release. Now, we will go towards the wall. Yes. Blocks. Blocks on the low setting, which is this one, and horizontal. So we will place, boom, boom, shoulder distance. We will lay down, watch me first. Hand in between the blocks. So that means close to the wall. Heel of the hand on top of the block, fingers on the edge. Yes, elbows in line with the shoulders. So we don't let these butterfly arms happen. Butterfly for other times. Yes, now. Feet close to the glutes and hip distance apart. We press the feet, hands equally. Step 1. Bring the crown of the head. Step 2. Press hands and feet. Exhale up. Yes, those who are trying for the very first time or not so used to it, you try to bring the weight to the center. Means not to forward, not to back, and extend the arms. Those who are used to it, push-ups. Bend the elbows, touch, exhale. Bend the elbows, touch, exhale. 5 times. And last time we will all hold. Chin to chest to come down. Upper, middle, lower back. And then do not do this. Knees together, lower back pressing, and feet mat distance. Yes? 5 push-ups, those who are used to it. Otherwise, try to extend the elbows up. Everyone take position. Blocks, shoulder distance. Naira to the wall. Take 2 blocks. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Inhale. And we go. Exhale up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Everyone extend the arms as much as possible. Hips up. Feet pressing. Hold it. Stay with the breath. Keep looking down towards your hands. Everyone stay. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Chin to chest to come down, upper, middle, lower back to the floor slowly. Touch your knees. Mona, no. Vijaya, no. Don't hug your knees, guys. Imagine your back bend now. It's like elastic band. So we are opening and we are pulling the elastic band away. When you bring the knees to chest, you're closing the elastic band. And now again you will open because there's more reps. So only when we are done, we can think of a forward bend. Yeah? Because it's too aggressive to go here and here, here and here. Yeah? Now guys, watch me. Next one. Watch the blocks. We will bring the blocks like this. Yes, now they were this. Now we will bring like this. Low setting but vertical. So more distance from the wall. Shoulder distance, same. We will bring the head in between, heel of the hands, elbow, shoulder distance, feet, hip distance. Now we press hands and feet, lift. Once we are here, we press the feet and we try to bring more weight towards the wall. 1. Sorry, guys. I was saying, once we are up, we press the feet. Yes, and we go towards the wall. So maybe forehead touch. And then center. Maybe nose. Center. Those who want to go deeper, one step inside with the feet. Maybe chin. Those who want deeper, maybe chest and chin. Away. And in. Yeah? To come out. Walk away, chin to chest. And back. So we will do 5 reps again. And the last one we will hold. Yes? Let's go. Ready? Everyone prepared? 3, 2, 1 and up. Now press the feet. Exhale towards the wall. Inhale, center. Exhale, 2. Inhale, center. Exhale, 3. Inhale, center. Exhale, 4. Super, guys. Last one we hold. Forehead, nose, chin or chest and chin. Towards the wall, everyone. And we hold. Stay with the breath. Short inhale, long exhale. Last 10, 9, 8, 7. Super, guys. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Chin to chest. Slowly, slowly control. Coming down. Knees together, feet mat distance. Press the lower back down. Super, guys. Now, we'll take one step forward. Yeah? Watch. We will place the blocks, attention, second setting, like this. So before we were here and then here. Now we do this one. Yeah, so it's a bit elevated. Again, shoulder distance. Head in between, as close to the wall as possible, heels up. Now 2 ways to come up. Yes? Bring the hands to the floor, lift, and then one step, one step. This is the easiest. Otherwise, from the floor, bring the heels on top and lift. Now options. Once you're up, you press the feet. Try to bring forehead. Try to bring nose. Or try to bring chin. If you cannot reach, walk in, walk in. The heels can lift to give you more depth, yeah? It all depends. Sometimes we need to lift the hips, but we keep thinking of pelvis up. Yeah? Chin or chest and chin. Yes? To come out slowly, slowly. Chin in, bend the elbows. Slowly back. Once again, 5 reps. And the last one we will hold. Ready? Take position. Second setting, guys. Shoulder distance. Inhale, lift up. Exhale towards the wall. Super. Inhale, center. Exhale, 2. Pressing feet, shifting more weight to the hands so we can reach closer. Inhale, 3. Vijaya, try. Exhale. Inhale, 4. Wow, guys, amazing. Exhale. Super happy with this. Last one. Let's try and hold. It's gonna get intense. Short inhale, long exhale. Stay. Keep pressing feet, keep bringing the weight towards the hands. Super, guys. Wow. Anupama, extend the elbows if possible. Vijay, extend the elbows if possible. Last 10. Stay. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Chin to chest. Start walking away. Lower upper, middle, and lower back. Take a moment. Process what happened. What's the next one? Now we will take the chair towards the wall. Yes? Chair against the wall. If you have a younger chair, your younger chair doesn't move. Yes? Now, this is gonna get intense. For the shoulders might be a little bit scary, so you need to move slowly and mindfully. Yes, we will keep the eyes down. Now, we go into the normal stance. I hope I can fit. Sorry, guys. Yeah. Normal distance for your wheel pose. Yes, don't go too close, don't go too far. Lift up, eyes down. One foot press, other foot press. Now my knees are bent, my feet hip distance. I keep the eyes down and try to press the hands slowly, extend, reach the chest forward. 1. Bend the knees, keep pressing hands. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Last one, we hold 15 seconds. Bend the knees. Slow and control chin to chest. Hold a bit down. Yeah? Guys, move one step at a time. Yeah? This gets intense in the shoulders, gets intense in the thoracic. You might feel a sudden opening here. Some energy can release. By energy, I mean stuck emotions. You can feel literally like an opening. Not that the chest is opening, okay? No one is ripping you apart. But whatever is like tension is here can open suddenly. Only through the breath. Yes, we can expand mindfully. Yeah? So everyone trying. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and we start. At your own pace, guys. This we need to do individually because everyone is at a different stage. You try 5 reps. If 5 reps is not possible, 1 or 2. Yeah? On the exhale, you extend the knees, chest forward. When you're done with your reps, you come down. Anupama, try 1 foot on top of the chair. You need to distribute the weight between your both hands and 1 foot so the other foot can come on top of the chair. Those who are done, chin in, calm down, and we will wait and hold all together. Those who are not able to bring the feet on top of the chair or you're scared, it's fine. Hold a normal wheel position. Press the feet and try to extend the legs. Yes, so you will walk the legs a little bit away when you are up. And again, you will feel this shoulder opening at your own level. Okay? Ready? 3, 2, everyone ready for the hold? Start coming up. Feet on top of the chair. Up, 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 up. Time is on. Short inhale. Long exhale. Stay. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Chin in. Step down. Slowly upper, middle, and lower back towards the floor. Remove the chairs. Let's start cooling down. Knees together, extend the legs 90 degrees. Inhale. Exhale, hollow body. Inhale up. Exhale, hollow body. We go together. 3, 2, 1. Inhale. Exhale down. Inhale with momentum. 2. In. 3. In. 4. Continue. 5 and 6. Up. 7. Up. 8. Up. 9. Up. 10. Hollow body hold. 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. Exhale. Release. Bring the arms to the sides, palm facing down in line with the shoulders. Bend the knees to the chest. Exhale, drop the knees to the right. Head towards the left and hold. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale to center. Exhale, knees to the left, head to the right. And hold. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, come back. Take a comfortable cross-leg position slowly. Lean to the side and sit down. Press sitting bones down, lengthen the spine. Close your eyes. Inhale, reach the arms up, join the hands in prayer. Exhale, bring the prayer towards the heart center. Connect the thumbs to the beating of your heart. And take this moment to feel the heart beating for you, keeping you alive. Appreciate the fact that you're alive, that you're living this life for a human experience, and the uniqueness that it comes with it. Take also this moment to thank yourself for showing up today with love and compassion towards yourself, towards your body, and in devotion to your practice. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Let's finish chanting one Om and 3 Shantis together. Inhale. Om. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Wrap the palms, bring all the energy towards the palms of the hands. Place them to cover your eyes. Blink the eyes open. Allow the light to enter your eyes through your eyes. Slide the palms on your face. Draw a beautiful smile. Namaste. Thank you so much, guys. Super.
Very good session, ma'am. Very energetic
You.
session.
Very
So
good.
happy.
Thank you. Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
So backbends usually gives us all this boost of
Thank
energy.
you.
Yeah. It opens all this chest. We feel sometimes like, oh my God, I can breathe again. Yeah. Because we tend now with technology, like this. Yes. And we get, and this is like an expansion. Yeah. It's also an act of trust. Yes. Because every time we go into a backbend, we don't see what's behind. So we are building trust. Yeah. In the body, in ourselves. It's a very beautiful practice, guys. Sometimes we are super scared of backbends, but once you start working with your own breath, one rep at a time, one class at a time, you start to see the love in it. Yeah, this fear that is, oh my God, limiting, blocking you. Yeah, this starts to dissolve, and then you start to enjoy and accessing deeper ranges over time. Yeah. So, more practice next Monday, more backbends. Yes?
Oh, thank you, ma'am.
I also
I'm
sent
doing
recording.
Thank you
practice
so
after
much.
1 year later that my accident. I paused everything. So
You
now
are
it's
back to
my
practice
third
now?
class. Yeah, I'm doing restart. This is my
Recently
third
started.
class. Yeah, thank you so much.
Super, Vidya, super happy. Yes,
Yes,
also
thank
mindfully
you.
come back to practice. Don't come back too strong, one day at a time. Listen to the body, yeah? Because sometimes we get super excited and we go too many hours. Yeah, so mindfully. There's time for everything, and the recordings are there available any which ways. Yes? Super,
you.
guys. Have a lovely weekend. And
Thank
I'll
you,
see you
ma'am.
Monday.
Thank you.
Bye
Thank
bye.
you, ma'am. Actually, I had
Happy
fear of
weekend,
attending
ma'am.
your
Take care.
class.
Bye-bye. See you on
Thank
Monday.
you. Kalpesh, you see, you did amazing, huh?
Yeah,
You were worried. You were worried, but now it's all gone, no?
actually, I had fear of attending your class, and this is my first time because the way you are doing now, so that fear was already there in my mind. So it is first class, and that's the reason I message you.
Yes.
It's
Yeah,
great, man. It's
sometimes
great.
you are scared of my class because you think it's hardcore. It is hardcore, but
Yes,
we go
yes.
step by
It's
step.
very easy.
I do extensive warm-ups.
Yes,
Yeah?
yes. Sure, ma'am. I'll attend next week, surely, ma'am.
For
Thank you.
sure, more than welcome, yeah? Thank you, guys. Have a lovely weekend. See you Monday. Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Thank you. Anaira, super class. Come more often.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.